The third cocktail I want to present to you today is the classic Italian gift to the world, Negroni. You would imagine you're sitting on a piazza in some sun-kissed little village in Italy. It's not quite dinner time yet, but you want a little something. So Negroni traditionally is equal parts of gin, sweet vermouth and Campari with a slice of lemon or a slice of orange on ice, and it's a fantastic way to start the evening and before you go into dinner. But today I'm going to present to you an all-Australian ingredient Negroni. So the last couple of years we've seen a real explosion of very interesting expressions on these European ideas. So we're staying a bit local again in Canberra, so I'm going to use the Canberra Distillery original gin, dry gin, as its base. From South Australia, Applewood make a thing called Amaro or Oka, which is a bit like indigenously harvested ingredients, small batch. It's different every year, and it's going to take the substitute for the Campari. And for the sweet vermouth side of things, I'm going back to my friends at Maid and I. They make an exquisite sweet vermouth that's very kind of strawberry and raspberry and a little bit of eucalyptus in there as well. So I'm going to put those together and make a really nice cocktail.